Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Today we will learn a new letter in this video, and the letter is N. The letter is N. We will learn the phonic sound of letter N, some new words that start with letter N, and we will also learn how to trace letter N and some letter N related activities. So let's start. In page 50 of World of Letters book, there is one capital letter N and one small letter n. But children will trace only the capital letter N with the help of the two fingers, that is index and middle finger. Like this: standing line, another standing line, slanting line. Letter N. Standing line, another standing line, slanting line. Letter N. Standing line, another standing line, slanting line. Letter N. The phonic sound of letter N is N. N. The phonic sound of letter N is N. N. Nose. N. Neck. N. Napkin. N. Net. N. Nest. Once again, the phonic sound of letter N is N. N. Nose. N. Neck. N. Napkin. N. Net. N. Nest. You will find all these words in page 50 of your World of Letters book. In page 51 of World of Letters book, there is a part read and trace. Children at first have to read the name of the letter, then they have to say the phonic sound of the letter, and then they will trace the letter. Now I am going to show that how they will do that part. This is letter N. N says N. N says N. Now I am going to trace the letter with a crayon. Standing line, another standing line, slanting line. Letter N. Like this, they will trace all the letter N's. This is page number 51 of World of Letters book. As I have shown, they will do the read and trace part at first. They will trace the letter N by saying its phonic sound and the name of the alphabet. Then they will do circle the letter N, and then they will match the nests that are the same. A done page has also been sent to you in the PDF file. They will do page 51 like this. PDF file বইয়ের পেজ 50 and 51 ছাড়াও স্মল লেটার বি অ্যান্ড স্মল লেটার সি এই বিকে দেওয়া হয়েছে আইডেন্টিফিকেশনের জন্য. দে উইল অনলি আইডেন্টিফাই দ্য লেটার্স অ্যান্ড দ্য পিকচার্স. দিস ইজ বি. বি সেজ ball, bed, balloon, banana. This is letter B. B says ball, bed, balloon, banana. This is letter C. C says k. C says k, car, cap, cup, cake. Once again, this is letter C. C says car, cap, cup, cake. Except page 50 and 51 of World of Letters book and small letter B and C identification, children have to revise the rhyme bits of paper from page 26 of Activities with Rhyme book and Pussycat Pussycat from page 28 of Activities with Rhyme book. Thank you.